Hey guys, how's it going? This is Pocket back with another product review video. Today we have a high quality sleeping mattress. So let's get started. If you're looking for a high quality sleeping mat which is very reliable, comfortable, easy to use, easy to inflate, doesn't deflate by itself, it's light and can fit literally everywhere, then I think I got the answer for you. This sleeping mat was made by Benoit, and I purchased it with discount from initial price being £63 and I got it for £25 including the £5 voucher which expires in the end of October. So if you want to get one of these with the cheapest price possible, then make sure to run in Amazon to purchase it. I have a link down in the description for it, of course. So let's take it out of the plastic now to see what else is in the pouch. Okay, great. So this is how the pouch looks like. So here you get a couple of repair kits. So if accidentally you make a hole on the mattress, then you can literally stick one of these on top in order to cover up. So let's put it on the side now. And in here, as you can see, this is the mattress. So let's take it out. Okay, so this is the mattress. As you can see, it's literally folded. And literally this within the pouch is 3.5 by 7.5 inches, which is relatively small. Can literally fit in your bag and very easily. So since it's quite lost to review it in here, let's go out and show you a demonstration of how you're going to use it. So as you can see, we have the classic, beautiful British weather. It's very easy to unfold despite being in a very compact size. It's 74 inches length, 22.5 width and 2.1 in height once it's inflated. Featuring a two-way valve, it makes very easy to inflate and deflate. This prevents it from deflating overnight. That means that if you inflate it, then there is no reason to deflate it and inflate it again the next day. The first valve is used to inflate it and the second is to deflate it. It takes only 10 breaths to inflate. It was very easy to inflate. Once you're done, make sure to close the valve, place it on the ground, and now you may sleep and enjoy your day. As long as you're shorter than 6 foot and 3 inches, it's going to be very comfortable for you. In this case, I am 5'10" and I find it super comfortable. It's made out of laminated 20D ripstop nylon and a TPU layer, making it waterproof and moisture proof. Now let's see how well it can handle water by dropping some on it. Some of the water has been faded out after 1 minute of the drop. If you accidentally drop water on it, then make sure to let it dry for around 2 to 3 minutes and then you may sleep on it again. If you ever want to deflate it and pack it in, then just open the valve to release the air. You may need to squeeze it a little bit in order to release all the air. Now let's see how you can fold it and put it back in the pouch. First, fold it vertically and then squeeze it in order to release the air from it, if it's any left. Then fold it vertically again and squeeze it if there is still air in it. Finally, you may roll it and any leftover air in it is going to reach the other end. Once you reach the other end, make sure to open the valve and release the remaining air. Finally, you may put it back in the pouch and then you are ready to go. Finally, there is 30 days money back guarantee, meaning that if you don't like it or you experience any issues with it, you can return it back and get your money back. After that, you have 1 year guarantee, meaning that if there are any issues with it, you can replace it or fix it. Do you love traveling or camping? And if yes, which places do you like to go? Let me know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, share this video to your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay connected and hit the notification bell to get notified on every video we upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video.